Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make tandoori spice mix. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 2 Kashmiri chilies, 3 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 6 pieces of cloves, 7 pieces of cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1/4 teaspoon of mace. Now let's get started. Take a pan on a very low flame and transfer all the ingredients into the pan. And mix all the ingredients well. Just keep mixing it until you get a nice aroma of all the spices for about 5 minutes. Just make sure that the color of the spices do not get changed. And if you want the spice mix to be more spicy, add about 5 to 6 dry red chilies to it. Usually I don't prefer it too spicy. Now our spice mix is roasted well. And then transfer all the ingredients into a blender and blend it well into a fine powder. Now our tandoori spice mix is ready. Try this at your home. You can store and keep the spice mix in an airtight container for about a month. You can even add about half teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder to this mix. Usually I prefer using fresh ginger and garlic paste along with the tandoori spice mix to my recipes. That is why I did not add ginger and garlic powder to the spice mix. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.